Do you feel like your voice is trapped or straining to break free? Or do you just run out of breath mid-phrase? Well, today I'm going to show you how to support your voice using a technique called Appoggio, so you can sing with freedom, control, and ease. Now, this is one of the lessons I wish I had started when I was learning to sing, because once you understand support, your entire voice opens up. Vocal support is how you manage breath pressure beneath your vocal cords. Without it, your voice can feel weak, strained, or inconsistent. Appoggio means to lean or support in Italian. It's a way of breathing that gently resists collapse. You're not pushing or squeezing, you're balancing pressure with stability. And here's something that affects everything we're about to do: posture. It can make or break your breath control. Now let me show you. Here's a slouched posture. Now watch what happens when I try to take a breath. Not much room, right? Now with an open, upright posture, feet grounded, chest lifted, shoulders relaxed, look what happens. That space lets the breath move, and your support muscles actually have room to activate. It doesn't have to be stiff, just open and relaxed. Think lifted but loose. This is actually one of the first things I'll cover in my free masterclass, Sing Smarter, Not Harder. You'll find a link in the description if you want to get access. Now, you've probably heard somebody say, sing from your diaphragm. But here's the thing, you don't actually sing with your diaphragm. It's not a sound-making muscle. The diaphragm is a dome-shaped muscle right here below your lungs. Now, when you inhale, it flattens downward, creating space for your lungs to fill with air. But you don't control your diaphragm directly. What you can control is the way that your ribcage, abdominals, and even the lower back muscles resist collapsing when you sing out. Ah! Now that's Appoggio, this gentle expansion and resistance around your whole torso that manages the airflow above the diaphragm. So next time somebody says, sing from your diaphragm, think of it more like breathe low, expand wide, and resist the collapse. That's how you give your voice the support it needs. But here's a quick trick. If you want to feel this coordination more easily, try this lying down. When you lie on your back like this, your body naturally releases tension. It's easier to notice where the breath is going. Feel how your ribs and belly expand gently outward and upward. That's your body coordinating Appoggio without effort. Now, hiss out slowly and try to keep that expansion for as long as you can. That gentle firmness, that's breath support. So if standing feels tricky at first, start here, on the floor. Your body will show you how support should feel. Let me show you an example of breath support and control with this balloon. Now if I squeeze it suddenly, that's what happens when you push or squeeze without control. Your voice gets unstable. But if I let the air out steadily, that's Appoggio. Steady pressure, smooth release. The air supports the sound. It doesn't overwhelm it. Here's one of the most effective breathing exercises that I know, the Farinelli. It's based on 3 phases like a triangle: inhale, hold, and exhale. Phase 1, inhale for 4 seconds. You're going to slowly breathe in and expand those ribs. Phase 2, hold for 4 seconds. You've got to maintain that expansion without tension. And phase 3, exhale on a s for 8 seconds. Your goal is to control your airflow while resisting collapse. Let's do it together. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Repeat this 3 to 4 times a day and you'll train your core and your ribs to coordinate effortlessly. This exercise doesn't just build breath control, it builds awareness. You start to feel what real breath support actually is. Okay, let's apply Appoggio to singing. I'll use the phrase, I will rise again. First, no support, with a slouch position. I will rise again. Now with Appoggio, ribs expanded and breath managed. I will rise again. That steadiness comes from controlled breath pressure and rib resistance, not throat effort. Breath support isn't just about strength, it's about coordination. The more you work with it, the more your voice will feel like it's working with you, not against you. So let's recap. Vocal support is breath management, not breath force. Appoggio equals ribs expanded and steady airflow. The balloon test shows breath control without pushing or squeezing. The Farinelli, I love saying that, triangle builds coordination and control. Now apply support to real singing, not just exercises. If you do just a few minutes a day, your voice will feel stronger, freer, and more connected in just a couple of weeks. Now if this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and drop a comment. What song are you excited to try with real vocal support? And if you want to go further, I'm putting together a free masterclass, Sing Smarter, Not Harder, that builds strength, breath control, range, and improved tone into a daily vocal workout. Now once you have coordinated Appoggio, you can start to sing with more power. Click on this video next to develop power in your voice.